later po kayo, 100%, wala po pa kayo dito sa Zoom na to. And I'm pretty sure, yung title po ng ating pong Zoom ngayon ay Momentum Call. So, Spill Maker, sabi ni Richard. Mary Joy, maker po. Exactly. Okay po. Kasi sa ganda po ng opportunity ng Live Good, malaking kasalanan po natin kung hindi po natin to iti-take advantage. Kasi with a very, very short period of time, Live Good has changed the lives of many people. At masasabi ko po, isa na po ako doon na talagang super blessed kasi hindi ko po akalain ito na prior to when I joined Live Good, I was just excited. Nasabi ko na po sa inyo yon, no? Na I know that this is really an answered prayer to me, na nakita ko po si Live Good na ang ganda-ganda. Kumbaga, yung aking pong puso ay nabighani po kay Live Good. At ang pinagpapasalamat ko sa Diyos, kasi hindi po ako nagkamali ng desisyon. At ngayon, akala ko, ninais ko po talaga, pinanalangin ko po talaga na ako po ay maging isang diamond. And by the way, I'm the 5th diamond and the first woman na naging diamond in the Philippines. And to tell you honestly, I thought na pag ako ay naging diamond, it would be okay. But to tell you honestly, mula nang nag-diamond ako hanggang ngayon, halos hindi na po ako makatulog. Grabe po talaga yung momentum, na yung energy, yung inspiration, yung some sort of excitement na talagang si Live Good, itong meron tayo ngayon, that we are called to be the pioneers. We are the pioneers of this global movement of changing people's lives. Grabe, we are still on the tip of the iceberg. And alam niyo po ba yung icing on the cake, nandito pa lang po tayo, wala pa tayo sa pinaka main cake. And then kung sa pagkain, andito pa po tayo sa appetizer, wala pa po tayo sa pinaka main course. Hello. Kaya congratulations to each and every one of you. It's never too late if we made a wrong choices in the past. Halimbawa po, nagkamali po tayo na hindi po tayo sumabay nung first wave. I consider my business right now as a second wave. Bakit ko po sinabi ng second wave? Bakit ko sinabi na second wave? The first time I joined Live Good, I was just driven by the wisdom na binigay sa akin ng Diyos, na appreciate ko si Live Good as hulog ng langit. Na sa loob ng pitong buwan na yan, ang daming nabago. We moved into 16,000 members in my team alone. Isipin mo, I started with one person, but iilan na po kayo ngayon? Hello? Ang dami-dami po. Right now, we have our newly promoted platinums, okay? That I'm gonna call later on, bago po tayo maghiwa-hiwalay. At isa po siyang millennials. At grabing hinahangaan ko din ang batang ito. Kaya ito, pinakikita namin sa inyong lahat-lahat na we have to really plug into the system. Okay po? So now, bakit ko sinabi na wave 2 ulit? Kasi the first time that I engaged myself fully into this business, I was just impressed, no? Kumbaga, na-appreciate ko lamang po yung nakita ko sa landing page ni Coach Fernan. Pero things happen so fast. Okay? The opportunity that I have right now is beyond my wildest imagination. I cannot expect it, and I'm so blessed beyond measure. Kaya po talagang it's for me, no, andun po talaga yung desire ng heart ko to really wake up, to share it to many people as I can, na makita po nila crystal clear sino po talaga si Live Good. Ngayon, okay, my question is, consider na po natin na okay na yung vehicle na magdadala sa atin sa tagumpay. As I said, Live Good is second to nothing. Last time, I told you to be at the moment, take your momentum, focus on the speed, okay, to give you excitement. Last time, I told you about fixing your mindset because mindset is everything, okay po? So, nandito po tayo, tuloy-tuloy po tayo nag-aaral. Ano pa po yung mga areas na kailangan po natin talagang aralin para po natin ma-take off yung ating pong negosyo. Okay, listen very, very carefully. What is that particular thing? Alam ko lahat po tayo dito ay nangangarap. Nangangarap po tayo na ilagay po natin ang business natin to the next level of success. So my piece of advice, no, for tonight, for this call, is unang-una, you have to make a goal. Be specific to your goal. You have to decide your long-term goal and your short-term goal. In the next 3 to 6 months, paano mo ba nakikita ang sarili mo? Do you really want to step up? For this month, for this week, ano yung gusto mong maabot? Hello? Ngayon, where are you right now? At ano ang goal natin? Ngayon, for us to connect, para ma-connect po tayo doon sa ating pupuntahan na goal, it is but important na alam natin kung ano yung magbabind noon. Ano ang magbabind? What is that particular thing that will connect from where we are right now heading towards our goal in life? Heading towards our goal in Live Good. It is nothing but the action. Let us be action-driven. Okay? Let us be result-oriented. At ano po ba ang talagang ginagawa po natin? Kasi alam nyo, madali pong magsabi na I want to become diamond. I want to become platinum. I want to become gold. Gusto kong matupad ang lahat ng aking mga pangarap. But the point is, what is the bottom line? Paano natin maaabot talaga yung mga pangarap natin yan? Paano natin maaabot yung mga pangarap natin yan? Hindi naman pwedeng isang pitik ganun lang, ano? So, right now, I want you to realize na ang business trend natin ay nagbabago na. The trend of this business is changing, is evolving. We're facing into the new age of building the organization. And for tonight, okay, I want to inculcate in your mind na importante na mag-focus po tayo ng actions. Let us be supported by activities. Ano po yung mga ginagawa natin the whole day? Ano ba yung ginagawa natin for the weekly? Ano yung goal natin for the week? Hello? Doon muna tayo mag-focus. Ano ang ginagawa natin araw-araw? And then the question is, no? Is my action validates the goal that I have? Is my action congruent to my goal? Parallel ba yan? Yung sinasabi mo na gusto mong maging diamond, first and foremost, do you really think like a diamond? Do you really act like a diamond? Do you really behave like a diamond? Do you really lead your team as a diamond? So importante po yun na talagang tayo, kung talagang ninanasa po natin talaga na maabot ang ating mga pangarap, na maging diamond at maging step up, kailangan meron na po tayong diamond mindset. At yung diamond mindset na yan, it should be validated by our action. Okay. So ano yung pinaka main action? Guys, Live Good family, I want you to understand this. Wag na po nating pahirapan ang ating pong negosyo. Dito po sa Live Good, alam nyo, ito na po yung pinakamadali na opportunity na meron ngayon sa balat ng lupa. I still remember, alam ko na lahat halos kayo ay alam nyo, kilala nyo na ako. I'm sorry na hindi na po ako sa inyo nag-explain para doon sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa akin, first time to tune in this. Meron po akong background story on my YouTube channel, Vilma Sabulao. I-search nyo lamang po yun and you will know my story. Paano po ako napunta sa network marketing, na ako po ay isa pong accountant. Ngayon, during 15 years ago, I want you to realize na ang hirap-hirap po ng mag-network. Promise, para maka-inspire, makaparinig po ako ng mga learnings, trainings coming from the speakers, from the leaders. Kailangan ko pa pong magbiyahe ng 3 oras. Kailangan ko pa pong mamasahe. Alam niyo yung lahat ng energy, ng time, ng effort nandoon. Hello, time, money, effort, lahat nandoon. Pero tayo ngayon, hello, isipin mo ang business natin, nasa dulo lang ng ating pong daliri. Nung mga time na yon, sa wala pang YouTube, yung VCD that I got from the speaker or from the company, kailangan kong bumili ng maraming VCD. At yung VCD na yon, kailangan kong i-recopy. Okay po? And then, ipamimigay ko po yun sa lahat ng mga kakilala ko. Ang hirap. Tapos, paano ko po gawin ang negosyo? I had to conduct my home party, my 2-in-1, my 1-on-1. I had to conduct a group presentation. Now we have to spend a lot of money for the travels, Lahat. Pupunta ka sa office, mata-traffic jam ka ng 2 hours para mag-conduct ka ng trainings, mag-attend ng trainings, something like that. So, lilipad ako ng 5 beses sa isang buwan. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and even in other countries, para makapunta doon, para makapag-conduct po ng training at ma-meet mo po yung tao. Now, hello, bakit si Live Good ng mushrooming? Don't you know na anong sabi ko? Nung nakita ko po si Live Good, grabe, sobrang niyang pinadali yung opportunity. And I want you to count your blessings that you are into this particular system built in. Kaya ang panawagan ko sa lahat ng mga nandirito ng mga leaders, unti-unti na po tayong mag-adapt ng change. Because the only permanent in this world is the so-called word change. Si Live Good po ay a revolutionary company. Our Sen Ben Glinsky revolutionized everything. Kasi ano ang sabi niya? This industry is broken and it has to be fixed. Pinadali na niya ang ating pong sistema. Lahat. Wala nang lahat ng pahirap. Wala nang highly overpriced products. Magpapaka-healthy tayo sa murang halaga. Lahat pinadali. So palakpakan natin mga Live Good affiliates kasi nandito tayo sa kakaibang plataforma. Ngayon, since the vehicle already revolutionized, tayo na piloto, tayo na driver, tayo na distributor, tayo na affiliate member, kailangan din natin mag-adapt ng change na wag na nating pahirapan yung ating ginagawa kasi meron na po tayong sistema na ginagawa and all we have to do is just plug into the system. Hindi ko sinasabi na wag na po tayong mag-offline, pero for the neophytes, para dun sa mga baguhan particularly, try to make our business as simple as possible. As simple as possible. Huwag nyo na pong pahirapan ang inyong pang mga sarili. I-mark nyo po sa sarili nyo ang salitang plug in. Plug in, plug in, plug in. Plug in talaga tayo sa system. Ngayon, hello, are you with me? Are you learning so far? So I hope na nadi-deliver ko po ng maayos yung mensahe ko for tonight. Pagamat ako po ay parang nagsasauna po dito. Init na init po ako. Okay, nahihirapan po ako but I am trying to be at the moment na maibigay ko po yung best ko sa inyo. Okay. So, yun yung mga kahirapan na meron po kami dati. Okay? Lilipad ako sa Leyte, sa Samar, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, sa ibang bansa. Okay, may nangyayari namang positive, no? May resulta na pong nangyayari. Kasi sa totoo lang, in the 15 years I've been into this business, I still made it so far, no? Nagawa ko din naman po maging successful. Kasi alam niyo naman po na yung sikreto ko, yung story ko, na I used to be broke. I was devastated. I was a struggling single mom of 5 children na pinangarap ko lang pong makatapos ang aking mga anak. Dahil sa pagnanasa ko na gusto kong maibigay ang best opportunity for my children, what I did is, kagaya sa iba dito sa atin, nakinig lang po ako to somebody who was in front, standing in front na nabago po ang kanyang buhay.